Hello and wish you all a very happy new year. Let's start this year with a sweet treat, that is a black forest cake. First, we'll grease the baking pan with some oil and line it with a parchment paper. Then we'll gather all the dry ingredients, sift them well and keep them aside. If you do not have an espresso machine, take 1 cup of hot water. To it, add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee powder. Mix it well. You can either use a spatula or a whisk to combine this mixture. Just make sure you mix only until there are no more flour pockets remaining. Do not overmix. Batter is now ready to go into the oven. Baking times can vary from oven to oven, therefore after around 40 minutes, quickly give it a check if the cake is ready or not. If not, keep increasing the temperature by 5 minutes until ready. It's time to now whip the cream. For this, I have chilled the bowl and the whisk for about an hour in the freezer. The whipping cream is also chilled. If you do not want to whip the cream, you can skip this step and use a ready-to-use whipped cream. can also use fresh cherries if they are readily available. I am using canned cherries here. We'll use the syrup to brush onto the cake. It will enhance the flavor. Before we start assembling the cake, we will first remove the caramelized top layer and also the sides, and then divide the cake into 2 equal layers. The crumbs falling apart are creating a mess. To avoid the same, I line the base with some parchment paper strips. So once I'm done assembling the cake, I just need to pull off the paper and it will all be clean. There is no need to smoothen the surface of the whipped cream, as most of it would be covered with decorations and chocolate shavings. To make chocolate shavings, all you need is a chocolate bar and a peeler. I have used milk chocolate here. You can also use dark chocolate bar if you like. All you need to do is either start peeling from the sides or from the smooth side of the chocolate bar, whichever is easier, and you'll have chocolate shavings ready to use. To decorate the top, I've filled a piping bag with some whipped cream with nozzle number 20. You can also use any other nozzle of your choice. I am making some dome shapes around the edge and will be topping it with some cherries. In the center, I'll be using some tempered chocolate decorations, both white and dark chocolate. Instead, you can also top it with some chocolate shavings and place some cherries in between. The combination of chocolate, cherries and whipped cream is just so amazing. This all-time favorite cake is sure to be a star of your party. Do try it and let me know in comments how it turned or if you have any queries. Also, do not forget to subscribe and to hit the bell icon below for notifications on my new videos. Until then, it's me, Pradnya, signing off.